Hello students, now we will determine number of particles in unit cell in X gram of metallic crystal. Different parameters of unit cell we are going to use for determination of number of particles and unit cell in given mass of metallic crystal. And the parameters are number of particles per unit cell is equal to n and volume of unit cell is equal to AQ. With the help of these two parameters we are going to determine the relationship between density of metal and molar mass of metal, and Avogadro number is represented as a Na. We know that formula of density is equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell, and it is equation number 1. Mass of unit cell is equal to number of particle per unit cell into mass of an atom, and it is equation number 2. Mass of each atom is equal to molar mass divided by Avogadro number, and which is equal to m divided by Na, and it is equation number 3. Now substitute mass of unit cell from equation number 2 in equation number 1. So you will get density is equal to n into m divided by A cube. Now substitute m is equal to m divided by Na from equation number 3. So you will get n into m divided by A cube Na. On rearrangement of this equation you will get m is equal to rho into A cube into Na divided by n, where m is molar mass, rho is density, A cube is volume of unit cell, Na is Avogadro number, and n is number of particle per unit cell. So it is relationship between molar mass and density, which we explain with the help of two parameters, that is number of particle per unit cell and volume cell. Now we will determine number of particles in X gram of metal crystal. We know that molar mass correspond to Avogadro number. It means that molar mass contain Avogadro number of particles, and therefore X gram of metal crystal contain X into Na divided by m particles. Now substitute value of m, and which is equal to rho A cube Na divided by n. So we will get number of particles in X gram of metal crystal, and therefore number of particles in X gram of metal crystal is equal to X into Na divided by rho A cube Na divided by n. On rearrangement of this equation we will get X into Na divided by rho A cube Na into n. Here cancel Na, so we will get X into n divided by rho A cube, where X is value of metal crystal in gram, n is number of particles in unit cell, rho is density of unit cell, A cube is volume of unit cell. This equation gives number of particles in X gram of metal crystal. Next we will calculate number of unit cell in X gram of metal crystal. We know that number of particles correspond to 1 unit cell. It means that in 1 unit cell n number of particles are present, and therefore x into n divided by rho A cube particles correspond to x into n divided by rho A cube into 1 by n unit cells. Here cancel nn, so equation become x divided by rho A cube, and therefore number of unit cell in X gram of metal crystal is equal to x divided by rho A cube, where x is mass of metal crystal in gram, rho is density of unit cell, and A cube is volume of unit cell. From volume of unit cell the number of unit cell can be determined, and therefore number of unit cell in volume V of metal is equal to V divided by A cube. From all this equation we can determine number of particles, number of unit cell in X gram of metal crystal. Now we will solve some numericals which are based on following formulae. First one is density, and which is represented by rho, and which is equal to n into m divided by A cube Na, where n is number of particles per unit cell, m is molar mass, A cube is volume of unit cell, and Na is Avogadro number. Second for number of particles in X gram of metal, and which is equal to x into n divided by rho A cube, where X is mass of metal in gram, N is number of particles per unit cell, Rho is density of unit cell, and A cube is volume of unit cell. Next formula for number of unit cell in X gram of metal crystal, and which is equal to X divided by Rho A cube, where X is mass of metal crystal in gram, Rho is density of unit cell, and A cube is volume of unit cell. So all these formulas we are going to use for different numericals. Now here we are going to solve one numerical. Niobium form BCC structure. BCC means body center cubic structure, and the density of niobium is 8.55 gram per centimeter cube, and length of unit cell H is 330.6 picometer. Now we will find out how many atoms and unit cells are present in 0.5 gram of niobium. First, we will determine number of atoms in X gram of niobium, and which is equal to X into N divided by Rho A cube. This formula we are going to use for determination of number of atoms in X gram of niobium. Now we will see what exactly they given in the equation. Here X is mass of niobium, and which is equal to 0.5 gram. N is number of particles, which is equal to 2. Rho is density of niobium, which is equal to 8.55 gram per centimeter cube. A is volume of unit cell, which is equal to 330.6 picometer. Picometer is converted into centimeter, and therefore it becomes 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8. Now substitute all these values in these formulas, and therefore number of atoms in 0.5 gram of niobium is equal to 0.5 gram into 2 divided by 8.55 gram per centimeter cube into 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8 cm cube of whole this value. Now cancel gram gram, then centimeter cube. On solving this, we will get 3.25 into 10 raised to 21. It means that number of atoms in 0.5 gram of niobium is equal to 3.25 into 10 raised to 21. Now we will determine number of unit cells in X gram of niobium, and which is equal to X divided by Rho A cube. It means that this formula we are going to use for determination of number of unit cells in X gram of niobium, and therefore number of unit cells in 0.5 gram of niobium is equal to 0.5 gram divided by 8.55 gram per centimeter cube into 3.306 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter cube of whole this value. Then cancel gram gram, centimeter cube. Then on solving you will get 1.62 into 10 raised to 21. It means that number of unit cells in 0.5 gram of niobium is equal to 1.62 into 10 raised to 21. So this is all about number of particles, unit cell in X gram metallic crystal, which is easy to understand.